Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a completely free AI coding agent using OpenCode in GLM-5. No subscriptions, no credit card, just a powerful open source stack that rivals paid tools costing $100 a month or more. Here's the problem. AI coding tools are expensive. GitHub Copilot runs $19 a month. Cursor Pro is $20. Claude Code can hit $100 or more monthly. That adds up fast, especially if you're a solo developer or just getting started. But there is a $0 option that's just as capable. OpenCode paired with GLM-5 Flash is completely free. So what exactly is OpenCode? It's a terminal-first AI coding agent built in Go, with a smooth bubble TT UI that runs anywhere your terminal does. It supports over 75 providers, including OpenAI, Google Gemini, Llama, and Z.AI for GLM models. It's privacy first. Your code never leaves your machine unless you choose a cloud provider. And it supports the Model Context Protocol so you can extend it with Git, databases, web search, and more. The numbers back it up. OpenCode has over 120,000 GitHub stars, 5 million plus developers using it every month, and over 800 contributors. It's built in Go, and it runs in your terminal, on the desktop, and inside your IDE. This isn't a side project, it's one of the fastest growing developer tools of 2026. Now let's talk about the model, GLM-5. It's a massive 744 billion parameter mixture of experts model, with 40 billion active parameters per token. Built specifically for coding and agent tasks, released in February 2026. It's MIT licensed, fully open-weight on Hugging Face. You can run it locally, or use the free API from Z.AI. Real-world benchmarks show it approaching top-tier models like Claude Opus on complex engineering tasks at a fraction of the cost. Here's the pricing breakdown. GLM Flash, that's GLM 4.7 Flash and GLM 4.5 Flash, is completely free, forever. No credit card required. Perfect for code formatting, completions, and quick tasks. New users also get free trial credits to try the full GLM-5 model. And if you need more, the paid coding plan starts at just $3 a month for 120 prompts, or $15 for 600. For most developers, the free Flash tier is more than enough. Step 1. Install OpenCode. It's a single curl command. Run curl fsshttps //opencode.ai/install and pipe it to bash. It downloads, installs to your local bin, and you're done. Verify with OpenCode version, then just type OpenCode to launch the TUI. If you prefer other install methods, npm, brew, wingit, and direct binaries are all available. Step 2. Get your free API key. Head to Z.AI, that's GPU.ai's developer portal. Sign up with no credit card needed and you'll get free trial credits immediately. Then go to Dashboard, API Keys, and create a new key. Copy it. Finally, add export ZAI_API_key equals your key to your .bashrc or .zshrc, and reload your shell. That's it, you're authenticated. Step 3. Configure OpenCode to use GLM. Create or edit the file at ~config/opencode/opencode.json. Add the Z.AI provider block with the base URL pointing to api.z.ai, your API key, and the 3 model entries, GLM 4.7 Flash, GLM 4.5 Flash, and GLM-5. Set your default model to Xi/GLM 4.7 Flash, that's the free Flash tier. Set small model to Xi/GLM 4.5 Flash. If you want to use the full flagship model, just swap to Xi/GLM-5, but that uses paid credits. Let's see it in action. You launch OpenCode in your project directory, and it shows you the active model, in this case GLM 4.7 Flash, free tier. You type a natural language prompt. Build me a Python CLI task manager with SQLite storage and rich terminal output. OpenCode analyzes the request, creates the project structure, and generates all the files, main.py, database.py, cli.py, and requirements.txt. Total cost, $0. The Flash tier handles this entire workflow for free. Why does this stack win? On the OpenCode side, it's 100% open source under the MIT license, terminal native with a fast TUI, supports MCP tool integrations, understands your full project context, and has zero vendor lock-in. On the GLM-5 Flash side, free Flash models forever, MIT licensed open weights, a 744 billion parameter Mo architecture, coding optimized, and only $1 per million tokens on the paid tier. Together, this is the most capable free AI dev stack available right now. A few pro tips to level up your setup. First, use a project-level opencode.json in your repo root to override the global model on a per-project basis.
Second, combine models strategically, use GLM Flash for quick completions and only upgrade to the full GLM-5 for complex refactors. Third, connect MCP tools like Git, databases, or web search in your config to turn OpenCode into a full autonomous agent. And fourth, if you want completely offline development, set your small model to Allama/CodeLlama for fully air-gapped, zero-cloud operation. 3 key takeaways. 1. OpenCode is the best free terminal AI agent available. 120,000 GitHub stars, 5 million developers, 75 plus providers, MCP support, installed in one command. 2. GLM-5 Flash is genuinely free, not a trial, a permanent free tier with no credit card required. 3. The entire setup takes under 5 minutes. Install OpenCode, get your free Z.AI key, configure the JSON file, and you're live. Your $0 AI dev stack starts now. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I post free AI developer content every week. Drop a comment below. What model are you currently using for coding? All the links are in the description. OpenCode docs, Z.AI signup, and the demo code from this video. Thanks for watching, and go build something great.